Today, Bio360 Europe is honored to introduce Walter Danner, co-founder of Snow Leopard Projects.
Hello, I'm Walter Danner. I'm co-founder of Snow Leopard Projects in Bavaria, Germany. We build biogas plants all over the world. I'm 30 years in the biogas business. Africa, we built the biggest grid-connected biogas plants in Africa. We built containerized biogas plants, and in our NGO work, we do very small tubular biogas plants. We are focused in our technology on fibrous material. We crack cellulose by a pre-treatment process prior to the biogas plant, the methanization. So I hope to see you in my presentation and have a good time. Thank you very much.